How you doing, guys? It's the Voice of Reason, and I had someone ask me, can I show them how to make bows using the Air 2 for beginners. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to images. I'm going to click here on the search key, and I'm going to type in bows. Now, guys, I got this from off Etsy. You're going to click on it. You're going to go to insert down here in the corner. And then I'm going to pull it up a little bit. So then as I do that, it's already fitted for your screen. Then I'm going to come over here to my Air 2. Click my open button. It's so beautiful. Click my power button. I'm sorry, guys. I do not have my tripod, so it's going to be kind of hard for me to show you guys, but I'm still going to do it. Glue gun, scissors. So you're going to take your mat. You're going to place this on here like this. You're going to get this tool. You're going to smooth it out, but before you do, you see how it's longer? So you're going to get this tool, and you're going to cut this off so it can be even, so it can evenly fit on there. Then you take this tool and you make sure it is flat to the mat. So I pasted my fabric down, make sure there is no ripples in the fabric at all, because it will mess up in your Air 2. Then you set the mat in. I'm trying to do this while I hold my phone. You come back to your screen. You go to Make It. And this is the setup. So this is how it's going to print off. Then you go there. Press connect. I'm sorry, I've been out making shirts and everything, so I'm kind of... So when you go here, as you can see, I set it to fabric. So you're going to go over here, and you're going to load your machine up. I loaded my machine up, as you can see. Then you're going to come here, and you're going to... Well, I'm sorry. You'll come over here, and you're going to click the cricut button. And just let it have its way. You see, it is making it. That cutting? Cutting is done. You're going to unload your mat. Let's see if I can. My workspace is kind of messed up right now. Let's see. Well, I guess I'll just hold it in my hand. But I'm going to pull it up off the mat like so. As you can see, here go all yours. And you just peel them up off the mat, and then let me see. Okay, well, let me peel it up off the mat. You peel it up off the mat, and you take it like this. You glue right here, and you put this on I'm doing this with one hand. I apologize. It's the middle of the night and I am trying the glue onto there like that, and it should look like this. Not just like that, but that's how it goes. So like that, and then you take this piece right here and you wrap it around here, and then you take this piece right here after you get done wrapping it around and you glue it onto this. Then you get these bad boys, which you can get these on Amazon, and you glue them onto that, and it'll be like that. If you have any other questions, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will help you with anything else. But where I got this from, I got it from Etsy. So go to Etsy and look up bow SVG. Go on Amazon and get these with not much, and you can get these from Micheals. I get these from Micheals. Thank you for tuning into my video.